So why do you support RCB? Because RCB never won a cup. Are you that much sure that in future it will be going to?
RCB is known for loyalty.
Okay, but still because of Virat Kohli, you support or any other reason?
No, for loyalty, and there are many players who are retired just like every player is there.
Okay, so you also support RCB?
Yes. But we don't live in values and we live in Madhya Pradesh state, and our Madhya Pradesh state is the heart of this India.
But India is not a cricket team.
Yes, there's not a team in IPL actually. Okay, so can anyone tell since how many times IPL was going on?
18 seasons, 18 seasons.
Okay, and which team won the more cups? Okay, so have you watched the World Cup?
Yes.
हाँ सर वर्ल्ड कप में टुगेदर सपोर्ट किया obviously because you are Indian. So on 19 November,
Yes.
we just lose our match. But still many people just use very abusing words to Indian team. So is that good?
No.
Because after 6 months, on 29 July, right?
Yes.
India won the match and they told us that we are not getting beat by losing the final, and they just get into final again and they just won. So it also taught us we should not lose our hope and just doing hard work and hard work.
Indian team won T20. Indian team won T20 because of Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya is a very good player.
That's a very good example of Hardik Pandya.
Yes.
Many people just discourage him, and even my wife left him. So it's a very bad gives a very bad impact on Hardik Pandya. But still, he did very good performance in cricket. So we can also learn this from Hardik Pandya.
Yes.
And there are many such examples by which we can learn many things from sports and the sports person.
Hardik Pandya is such examples of steelman.
Okay. And okay, these are the males. But if we talk about females, it's very difficult for females to just get into the sports because many times parents don't even send their girls to education. So there's a very big thing to just send them into the sports career. But still, many girls do very hard work to get into the sports, and they just won many trophies and just make them their parents and country proud. So what you can say about that kind of?
You can talk about Saina Nehwal.
Yes, she is a badminton player.
Yes, she is a badminton player and she is absolutely
A very good player.
Yes, she is a very good player for badminton. She is very hard. She was very hard work for her career.
Yes, she is. And there are many such cricketers, female cricketers also like Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur. They are also very well played players, and they also did a very hard work to reach that much of
If you want success in our life in sports, we need sports facilities in our school also, that our students like participate in our have. Also, sports facilities, they give us chance, girls and boys both. 1 month ago, there was a match of football for girls and boys. They encouraged the girls to play football in their further life or other games.
Okay. But in many schools there are no such facilities, and if one student want to be make their career in sports, so how he or she can?
He or she can join a academy.
But still they have not that much of money, so what?
They have to practice in their own life only. If they practice in their own life, they can able to success in their further life.
But for that they also want a supportive coach and a supportive parent. So according to me, government should do such facilities to the people who want to come. They can able to.
Yeah, government should do such facilities, and they have to make football ground or something that the children that do not have money can play there.
If a coach and a parent is still supportive, so sportsmen do anything.
Yes, they can achieve anything. So as we talk that there are many such examples that because of their hard work, because of their parents' hard work, many people just make their career in sports, and that taught us many things. So sports is very necessary, and it taught us many things, and there are many such examples of the sports person. So as much as education is important, as much of sports is also important in this life.
Both are important in student life because education is important for other things and sports is important for other things.
Yeah, education is important in our further studies, and sports is important in our physical and mental health.
Yeah.
Okay. As we know that Olympics are held in every 4 years, so you can see there that the medals that India won is comparatively very less than other countries. So why is this? What was the reason behind this?
Because India has some facilities for sports and other countries has more facilities.
They just supported the children ideas, but in India many parents just gave their pressure on us to become doctor or engineer.
Yes, to become education for a good person.
They just thought that without education there is nothing, but this is also true. But one can also become a very famous person. Example Virat Kohli.
Example of other players.
Yes, they just give 10th exam, but still they are too much famous and they can able to speak English too very well. In many interviews, they just use to speak English.
Yeah, some parents are also supportive, and some coach they encourage